This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kopsch. Amazing 4-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home with a detached 30 by 30 workshop/garage. Great for additional storage space and work area. The kitchen features granite countertops, a large island, and white cabinets. Wood flooring in 2 bedrooms and living room, with laminate throughout the rest of the home. An addition was added on, which features the primary bedroom with a large walk-in closet. The roof and air conditioner are both less than 6 years old. Move-in ready. Submit your offers today. For more information, review the details below or contact Kopsch at 704-727-6844.